Welcome back to Cooking Life with Des. Today, let us cook shalgam spinach with chicken. Things that we need: shalgam, spinach or palak, tomatoes, chicken, onions, and green chilies. We need cooking oil. First, let us fry the onions. Fry it until it turns into golden in color. Cover it for 2 minutes to soften it. Then add the tomatoes. Then fry it as well. And then cover it for at least 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, check it and it will become like this. Now, as you notice, the oil is separating from onions and tomatoes. Let us add a bit of water to make sure that it will be more softer. Okay, and then mix it well, and fry it more for at least 1 minute. Right, let it get more softer. Then after that, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. It's up to you if how much do you want, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. But if you don't want spicy, you can skip that ingredients. Then mix them all together. But anyway, the quantity of the ingredients depends on your preferences. Let's add the green chili. Here I cut it in a round shape, right? But it depends also on you if how do you want it to be, but it should be cut just like that, and then mix it well. And now let us add the chicken. After mixing it, let us cover it for at least 15 minutes in a low fire. So after 15 minutes, it will be like this. Now you can see, or you will notice that there is a bit of water. It's actually from the tomato or chicken. Their natural water is coming out. So let us check. We still need to wait because as I noticed, the oil is still not separating from the meat and the mixture. So we are going to cook it again for another 10 minutes in a low fire. Make sure that the fire is low to make sure as well that the taste of the food is really nice. It will be soft and tender. After 10 minutes, here's the chicken. Now you will notice that the oil or a bit of water is coming out. Alright, so this one is what we are waiting for. But I noticed that the meat is still not cooked or not really soft. So we are going to cook it again for another 10 minutes. This is the reason why Pakistani food takes a lot of time to cook, because they cook the food well done. Though their food really takes time, but I can assure you the nice taste or a very nice taste of it, because it will be tender and juicy. Now we're going to close it again for another 5 minutes in a low fire. Add half cup of water. Then after 5 minutes, check, it will be like this. So here, as you can see, there's a little bit of water, and the chicken is really now nice, soft and tender. Let us add the spinach or the palak. Mix it a bit and then add the shalgam. These are actually already boiled. If you want to know how to boil the palak and the shalgam, I have videos for that as well. Mix this vegetable with the chicken to make sure that you will get the best taste of it. Mix it nicely, or not, carefully, to avoid destroying or spoiling the meat. Then cover it for another 5 minutes in a low fire. All right, and after 5 minutes, you can see that it will, or the water will come out from the shalgam and the spinach. But it's okay, don't remove it. Let it be cook again for another 5 minutes until the water gets dry. But make sure not to dry it too much, so that you will have the tender, juicy food. After 5 minutes, it will be like this. It's done. Now, let us garnish it with garam masala. Garam masala is a combination of black pepper and zira seeds. And then, spread or garnish with coriander leaves. But it's optional. Of course, it gives also a taste. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.